kiwi. A lot of people doesn't know kiwi have a lot of health benefit for us. Right here I got 2, 4, 6 kiwi. I'm gonna be using both 3 of them. I'm gonna make a lovely smoothie from it. All right, it's gonna be something simple, but also gonna be very delicious. All right, so what you want to do, you want to grab yourself some kiwi and you want to remove the skin from the kiwi, and I'm just gonna simple make a lovely smoothie recipe from the kiwi, because kiwi is good for us, guys, and a lot of people doesn't even know that the benefit of kiwi. A time for us to start eat a lot of kiwi like this. You can either make a smoothie from it, or you can also just cut it and eat it on its own, just like this. All right, so I'm gonna make a nice lovely smoothie from the kiwi. All right, so what you want to do is remove the skin from the kiwi and put it straight inside of a blender. Or if you have, some people eat all the skin of the kiwi, but I'm not gonna go there with that part, guys, to be honest with you. All right, yeah, I'm not gonna go there, but to be honest with you, kiwi is very good for us, and we should be having kiwi on a regular basis. All right, if you do not, ears is in. Good morning, boss. All right, so yeah, look at that, beautiful and nice. All right, so that's 2 kiwi. All right, yeah, as you can see. But to be honest with you, I saw people eat the kiwi skin before, and I was like, oh yeah, but I'm not gonna go there like that, because the kiwi skin, it's really itchy, and you do not want to go there with that, guys, trust me. So here's the thing, what you was saying on Facebook, man. Chef Andrea, what's going on? Big up yourself. Alright, so I use roughly about 3 of the kiwi, and I'm gonna be leaving the other 3 for another day, because, you know what I mean, them still in date, they're still good. So I'm gonna be using 3 and leave another 3, alright? Yeah, so what I wanna do, I'm just gonna do a natural kiwi juice without use anything on it. All right, yeah, so we're just gonna go naturally with the kiwi with some ginger. All right, here it is, that's the ginger. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to simple squeezing that lemon juice into it like this. All right, so I squeeze roughly about half of a lemon. Inside of it. And then once you squeeze that lemon, what you're gonna do is just put a little bit of a water inside of it. All right, and we're going to blend it. Right, so we're gonna blend this. All right, so this is just a natural drink. Nice one. So that's a beautiful recipe that you can drink in the morning. All right, kiwi, and that's where you go right there from Chef Ricardo Cooking. And the food news. All right, guys, kiwi, very, very good for us, and a lot of people downgrade the kiwi. So what you want to do, you want to drink this just as it natural like this. All right, with some ginger and some lemon to eat. That's it, guys. Beautiful, nice, and also delicious. All right, and trust me, you can make that at home. All right, okay. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and this is on the Food News TV this morning from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Stay tuned, stay blessed. We will catch you with another one, and as you can see, it's beautiful, simple, but also delicious. All right, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.